Backhoes are versatile construction machines that are widely used in the construction industry for excavating, loading and unloading materials, and leveling terrain. If you are new to operating backhoes, this tutorial will guide you through the basic steps to operate a backhoe safely and efficiently. Inspect the machine. Before operating a backhoe, inspect it thoroughly to ensure it is in proper working condition. Check for any damage, leaks, or faulty parts that may affect its performance or safety. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. Always wear the necessary PPE, such as a hard hat, safety goggles, earplugs, gloves, and steel-toed boots, while operating a backhoe to protect yourself from potential hazards. Familiarize yourself with the controls. Learn and understand the controls of the backhoe, including the joystick, pedals, switches, and levers. Practice operating them to gain proficiency and confidence. Plan the work. Before starting any excavation work, plan the job carefully. Determine the location of underground utilities, mark the excavation area, and assess the soil conditions to ensure safe operation. Follow safe operating practices. Operate the backhoe according to safe practices, such as keeping your seat belt fastened, using the seat with proper adjustments, and avoiding sudden movements or jerks. Use the seat belt. Always wear the seat belt while operating a backhoe to prevent injuries in case of sudden stops or accidents. Use proper digging techniques. Use the proper techniques for digging, such as digging in a smooth and controlled manner, avoiding overloading the bucket, and not digging above the recommended load limit. Keep a clear line of sight. Maintain a clear line of sight while operating the backhoe. Look in the direction of travel, avoid blind spots, and use spotters if necessary to ensure the safety of other workers or bystanders in the area. Be aware of overhead hazards. Be cautious of overhead hazards, such as power lines, trees, or structures, while operating the backhoe. Maintain a safe distance and be vigilant to avoid any potential accidents. Communicate with other workers. Always maintain clear communication with other workers in the work zone. Use hand signals, radios, or other means of communication to ensure everyone is aware of your movements and any potential risks. Keep the backhoe stable. Keep the backhoe stable at all times. Avoid sudden movements, especially when lifting or lowering the bucket or operating the digging arm. Keep your feet firmly on the pedals and hands on the control levers at all times. Avoid unstable terrain. Avoid operating the backhoe on unstable or steep slopes that may pose a risk of tipping over. Always assess the terrain before starting operation and keep the backhoe on safe and stable ground. Perform regular maintenance. Keep the backhoe in good working condition by performing regular maintenance as per the manufacturer's recommendations. This includes checking fluid levels, inspecting safety systems, and making necessary repairs. Get proper training. Ensure you receive proper training before operating a backhoe. Familiarize yourself with the operator's manual and follow the training guidelines provided by the manufacturer or your employer. Never operate a backhoe without proper training. Comply with local laws and regulations. Make sure to comply with all local laws and regulations related to backhoe operation. This may include licensing requirements, time restrictions, and specific safety rules in your area. Conclusion: operating a backhoe requires skill, knowledge, and safety awareness. Follow these basic steps for safe and efficient backhoe operation. Always remember to comply with local laws and regulations, receive proper training, and prioritize safety at all times. Good luck in your backhoe operating adventure. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as it will help us a lot to continue making videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, please let us know by leaving a comment. Don't forget to activate the notification bell to be informed about our latest uploads. As always, be happy because you deserve it. See you in the next video.